Best deals.
1. Fry pan. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Best in even heating and heat retention that gives excellent cooking results consistently. No harmful chemical coatings, 100% toxin-free and food-safe. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Peeler. Compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip. Sharp, durable stainless steel blades won't rust. Easy to use, you can use water to wash the peel or dishwasher to clean. The comfortable non-slip handle can provide a firm grip even in wet or greasy conditions, so you don't feel tired in peeling. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Bowls. Are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. Biocomposites are new age bioplastics. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Shelves. The Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. This kitchen rack can be used for organizing your oil bottles, sauces, condiments, spices. Neatly arrange your bathroom accessories on this bathroom shelf. Use it to arrange all your daily accessories. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dish drying rack. Made from premium quality metal with a rust-resistant black finish, this dish drainer tray offers strong stability, long-lasting durability, and resistance to corrosion for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Hanger. Adopts a double hook design, allowing you to hang 2 items simultaneously. Say goodbye to cluttered car seats, keeps your belongings within easy reach, adding twice the extra storage space so you can hang more items and organize your car. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Silicone idli mold. Designed for efficiency, our molds help you make perfect idlis with less batter waste, saving time and ingredients. No greasing needed. The superior non-stick silicone ensures easy idli release and quick cleanup. Enjoy evenly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis every time. Line your traditional idli plates with silicone idli mold for easy and an effortless cooking experience. Our flexible design makes steaming and serving a breeze. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic silicone for safe and durable use. Heat-resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for steaming, baking, microwaving, and even freezing. More than just idlis. Use it for dokla, cupcakes, steamed dumplings, and more. You easily steam cook perfectly shaped idlis that are quick to serve, in molds that are easy to clean. Place the silicone idli mold on the idli plate, pour the batter onto the silicone idli mold. Steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes before removing idlis. Push the silicone idli mold from the back to remove the idlis. Perfect shaped idlis are ready to eat. BPA-free, safe to use for foods, it's food grade and dishwasher safe. Creates perfectly shaped idlis. Mold can be either hand washed with mild soap and water or put in the top rack of a dishwasher. When not in use, store the molds in a closed box or container. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Blender. Equipped with 6-edge sharp blades, dual 1500 mAh batteries, a high-speed 18,000 RPM motor, and 360 degrees whipping technology to smoothly blend fruits and crush ice in just 40 seconds without dead ends or clogging. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Stand mixer. 1400 watts powerful motor comes with 100% copper motor providing strong planetary movement for optimal mixing results. 6 speed levels and pulse function supports dough, beating, whisking for making various recipes like bread, roti, cake, cookies, muffin and much more. Use dough hook within speed of 1 to 3, beater within speed of 2 to 4, whisker within speed of 5 to 6. Use pulse function for quick blending as per need. 6 liters stainless steel bowl and 1.5 liters glass blending jar ensures to meet decent cooking volumes for small family, parties or celebrations. Metal meat mincer allows you to grind meat with a consistent quality. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, dough or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. 8-speed settings with LED indicator and pulse function gives you precise control for effortless beating, whisking, and kneading. Splash guard for a clean, mess-free experience prevents spills and splashes, keeping your kitchen neat while you mix, whisk, or knead. Enhanced safety with overheat protection and safety lock designed to ensure safe and reliable operation during every use. Complete mixing set for versatile use includes main unit, dough hook, beater, whisk, and a large 5L stainless steel bowl for all your recipes. Motor with pure copper winding delivers efficient, high-performance mixing for all your everyday kitchen needs. The product comes with splash guard which enables to keep your kitchen clean and non-messy while mixer does its perfect blending, doughing or whisking. Tilt head is designed for easy to installing and uninstalling bowl and attachment. The anti-slip rubber cap are fixed at the bottom for safety in not spilling mixture. Experience unmatched performance with a heavy-duty motor built to handle tough doughs, thick batters, and continuous mixing without overheating. Designed for durability and long life, the copper motor ensures consistent results every time. Enjoy total control over your recipes with the advanced LED touch panel. Choose from 8 speed levels plus a pulse function for perfect whipping, kneading, and blending. Whether making fluffy cakes, bread dough, or pizza base, get precision mixing at your fingertips. Built with a high-quality gear system, the stand mixer ensures smooth operation and long-lasting strength, even under heavy loads. The stable design minimizes vibration, while the premium red finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. The appliance has a digital panel and preset option for hook, beater and whisker for ease of operation. The digital display is modern and effective at the same time. Built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. Mixer is equipped with premium quality all-metal gear planetary movement to provide optimal mixing results and longer life. Comes with a removable 6-liter mixing bowl which is made from imported 304 stainless steel to ensure food safety and durability. We also provide a polycarbonate splash guard laid to prevent food from splashing around while use. This mixing bowl is made from imported 304 stainless steel which ensures food safety in the 6-lit capacity can satisfy most of the daily use of 3 to 7 persons family. Built to take it all on with the durable and built-to-last metal gear construction, and multiple touch points around the mixer bowl for great mixing results. The appliance works on planetary mixing motion. The moving head and the rotating bowl together create planetary motion effect, resulting in consistent dough for rotis, pizzas and breads. The appliance comes with 3 attachments: beater, dough hooks and whisker. The possibilities are endless with given attachments. Just plug in and jam out. This feature-packed stand mixer is all you need in your kitchen. It can be used as stand mixer for baking, cake mixer and flour kneading machine. Ample capacity for preparing dough, batter, and mixes for the whole family. Built with SS304 food-grade material for durability and hygiene. Offers precise speed adjustment for all kinds of recipes, from slow kneading of dough to fast whipping of cream. Dust-proof splash guard, prevents spills and mess while mixing, keeping your kitchen clean. Product link is given in the 9th link.